Alright, so I finally kicked the 95 out of the shop, and I've got the 91 in the shop. I've been kind of scattered on this thing this morning. I just started on this morning, and I've been all over the place, ripping apart, sanding, welding, cleaning. Here's where I started. They cut these out for bigger tires, and when they did, they left all this completely open. And then these were inside. These were filled up clear to here in mud, and all this was full with mud. So I took, and I'm not a body guy, and I'm not expecting to win a show and shine with this, but I did take and cut most of this off and closed it up. This is how it used to hang down there. So, and I haven't pulled this black piece off, but you can see where they cut it. It does go clear down to right there. So I started on that, and then I started sanding the whole thing because I plan on painting it the same colors as the 95 out there, because I have 2 cans of that paint, so it'll be the same color. I started pulling the fenders off because I figured it'd be easier to do some of the paint work up here, and I have to have the fenders off anyways. So because when I put the cage on, I believe the A pillar will come down, and it'll come down basically right here, and then I'll have to notch the fender out and put the fender back on. So I went ahead and pulled the fenders off and the hood off. It might be easier to get to that hood too, because that hood's, they primered this, or spray rattle can this thing black, so getting the black paint off of it that's peeling and coming off anyways, kind of a pain in some spots. And then of course I kind of started coming in here. I don't know if they already sprayed this with some kind of undercoating or what, but it's got some black stuff in here that's pretty hard to, it's not wanting to come off real easy. So I've been sanding and grinding on that, trying to get it out. I do have a hole there that I need to fix, and there's a hole up there that I need to fix, and then I thought there was one other small hole. Well, there's this here, I don't know, looks like somebody hit it with a hatchet or something. I don't know why there's a hole there. So I plan on Herculining the whole, well, at least most of the floor, and then maybe up. I don't know if I'll go up on these or not. I don't plan on putting any carpet back in here. So, oh, and then I have to do, which I thought, I pulled the headliner out. That was one of the first things I did, because when I pulled the what do you call it, roof rack, or yeah, I don't know what you call it, roof rack. There's another name I was wanting to use for that, but all these bolts are rusted, and I tried drilling some of them, and then I just started prying, and ended up just prying a bunch of these off. And I thought I was going to be able to get to them, prying and breaking them off, and I thought I was going to be able to get to them from inside, and you cannot get to those from the inside. So I'm going to have to figure out how to cut those or drill them the rest of the way out, and then weld them up, because that's where I'm sure all this water's coming from. It rained once or twice, and they're leaking down through those. So, well, yeah, there you can kind of see out there. So you can kind of see them, but they don't look like they're going to be real easy to get to. Got the cage down there. So I don't know if I'm going to bore people to death by videoing a lot of this stuff that I'm doing. If there's anything that people want to actually see how I'm doing it, I could video it, but I don't want to just throw too many videos of me just welding and sanding and boring people to death with it. So if you have anything you want to see or anything you want me to show, then let me know and I'll make a video of that, because I have lots to do. I'm sure it's going to take me a little while to. I don't plan on doing a perfect job, but I plan on trying to do a decent job, so it's going to take me a little bit to get all this done. So alright, well, I'm probably going to make another short video of the walk around to that Jeep and be done for the day. It's actually the 4th, so I need to get cleaned up and be leaving here shortly. So alrighty, well, I'm out.